Shower curtains and liners can accumulate mold, mildew, and soap scum over time, making them unsanitary. Most can be machine washed. If yours is hand wash only, clean it with baking soda and warm water. To machine wash, remove it from the wall and any metal hooks, then add 1 or 2 clean towels to prevent wrinkling. Use your regular laundry detergent along with half to a cup of baking soda, and if needed, add bleach for tough stains, only for white or transparent curtains. During the rinse cycle, pour in vinegar to help eliminate odors. After washing, hang the curtain to drip dry. Never use a dryer. For hand washing, dampen a microfiber cloth with water, sprinkle it with baking soda, and scrub the curtain, rinsing thoroughly between steps to remove all residues. Always check the care label for specific washing instructions and consider spot testing any cleaner. To maintain cleanliness, spray the curtain daily with a vinegar water mix and wash it weekly to prevent buildup, opting for body wash over bar soap to minimize scum.